We've all seen that guy at the gym, the one benching 3 plates, but moving the bar about 3 inches. The guy doing curls like he's auditioning for a limbo contest. Or the spotter that's basically doing a set for his friend. The truth is, most people in the gym are working hard, but not smart. And when your form is trash, your progress will be too. Bad habits don't just kill gains, they put you on a fast track to injury. So today, I'm breaking down 8 of the most common exercises people screw up and how to actually do them right. Because if you're gonna put in the work, you might as well get the reward. Let's build brick by brick. 1. Bench press. The bench press is the king of upper body ego lifting. Everybody wants to load it up and show off. But here's the thing, most people aren't even benching. They're just bouncing the bar and hoping their shoulders don't explode. Here's how to actually do it right. Set up tight. Plant your feet into the floor like you're trying to leave footprints in the gym. Pinch your shoulder blades back into the bench and keep your chest tall. Grip the bar. Hands just outside shoulder width. Too narrow and it's triceps. Too wide and your shoulders take the hit. Lower with control. Don't just drop the bar. Bring it down slow. Elbows at about 45 degrees until the bar lightly touches your chest, not your stomach, not 3 inches above. Press with power. Drive the bar up by pushing through the floor with your feet and extend your arms until they're locked out. Don't let your butt leave the bench. This isn't a circus trick. Why this works. Full range of motion activates your chest fibers completely. Partial reps only give you partial growth. Bench like this and your chest will actually grow instead of just your ego. 2. Bicep curls. Let's be real, everybody loves curls. It's the most universal flex exercise. But here's the problem, most people don't curl. They convulse, they throw their back into it, swing the dumbbell like a baseball bat, and then wonder why their arms never grow. Here's how to curl the right way. Stand tall, feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, core braced. No rocking, no leaning back like you're dodging a punch. Grip matters. Palms up, dumbbells hanging at your sides, shoulders down and relaxed. Slow up, slower down. Curl the weight by bending only at the elbows. Keep your upper arms pinned. Imagine they're stapled to your ribs. No swinging forward. At the top, squeeze your biceps like you're trying to crush a walnut. Then lower the weight slowly. The lowering part is where the muscle really grows. Range of motion. Don't stop halfway. Go all the way down until your arms are straight and all the way up until your biceps are fully contracted. Anything less is just half-assing your gains. Do it this way and you'll notice when you isolate the bicep, instead of turning the curl into a full body heave, you actually build muscle. Curls aren't about moving the heaviest weight possible. They're about tension, control, and that slow burn that tells you the muscle is working. Curl right and you won't just feel bigger, you'll actually look it. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the oldest exercises in the book, but also one of the most butchered. Most people either bounce off the floor like a basketball or barely bend their elbows before calling it a rep. That's not a push-up, that's an ego massage. Here's how to do it right. Set up solid. Hands under your shoulders, not way out by your ears. Spread your fingers wide, grip the floor. Body straight, head, back, hips, heels in one line. No sagging hips, no butt in the air. Think plank that moves. Controlled movement. Lower yourself until your chest almost kisses the floor. Not just your arms, but your whole body moving as one unit. Elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your torso. Drive up. Push through your palms. Keep your core tight and lock out at the top without shrugging your shoulders. Variations. Beginner, start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a bench. Advanced, deficit push-ups with your hands on blocks, or add a weighted vest. Locking in proper form changes everything because push-ups hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Done properly, they're not just a chest move, they're a full upper body strength builder. And they're always available. No excuses, no equipment, no shortcuts. Master the push-up and everything else gets stronger. 4. Pull-ups. If push-ups are the offensive line, pull-ups are your franchise player. They're the test of raw strength and control. but most people ruin them by swinging, kicking their legs, or jerking their chin just high enough to say they did one. That's not training. That's cheating yourself. Here's how to do it right. Grab the bar a little wider than your shoulder width. Palms facing upward. Hang with your arms fully extended. No shortcuts. Brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and lock your body in place. From there, drive your elbows down and back as you pull your chest toward the bar. Don't think about pulling with your hands. Think about dragging your body upward with your back. Once your chin clears the bar, pause for a second, then lower yourself slow and controlled all the way down. Reset, repeat. Here's what you gain when you get it right. Pull-ups hammer your lats, traps, biceps, forearms, and grip strength. They carve out that V-taper that makes your shoulders look wider and your waist look smaller. More than that, they're honest. Either you can lift your own body or you can't. No ego, no excuses. Every clean rep builds a back that looks strong from every angle. Pull-ups don't just build muscle, they build character. 5. Lat Pulldowns. The lat pull-down is the pull-up's younger brother. Easier, more accessible, but just as powerful when done right. The problem? Most people turn it into a weird upper body dance. They yank the bar with momentum, lean halfway back, and wonder why their lats never grow. Here's how to fix it. Sit down, plant your feet flat, and lock your thighs under the pad. Grab the bar a little wider than shoulder width, palms facing upward. Start with your arms fully extended and your chest up tall. Before you even pull, think about drawing your shoulders down. That's how you wake up your lats. Then pull the bar down smoothly toward the top of your chest. Elbows drive straight down, not back. Squeeze your lats hard at the bottom. Pause for a second, then return slow and controlled until your arms are straight again. No half reps, no leaning back like you're in a recliner. Making this adjustment benefits you because lat pull-downs mimic the pull-up while letting you control the weight. That means more volume, better form, and a safer way to grow your back if you can't hit many pull-ups yet. Done right, they'll stretch your lats wide and give you that wingspan look that makes your upper body stand out. Pull-ups aren't about moving a bar. They're about mastering the squeeze. Do that, and your back will do the talking for you. 6. Squats. The squat is the king of lower body training, but most people butcher it. They load up the bar, half rep it with shaky knees, and call it leg day. Truth is, a bad squat doesn't just waste your time, it puts your knees and back at risk. Here's how to do it right. Plant your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Keep your chest tall and your core braced like you're about to take a punch. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees, lowering yourself as if you're sitting into a chair. Go until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor. Lower if your mobility allows. Knees track in line with your toes, never caving inward. Then drive back up through your heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. Smooth, controlled, no bouncing at all. This tweak isn't small. It's what makes the difference between wasted effort and real progress. Squats recruit nearly every major muscle in your lower body. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, even your core and lower back. That means more strength, more calories burned, and more muscle built in less time. A solid squat builds the foundation for everything else. Running faster, jumping higher, and lifting heavier. Forget the ego lifts and shaky half reps. Master the squat with clean depth and control, and your legs will look and feel unshakable, like they're built out of stone. 7. Deadlifts. The deadlift is the ultimate test of strength, but it's also one of the most commonly butchered lifts in the gym. Too many people treat it like a race to see how much weight they can yank off the floor, rounding their backs like a fishing rod and setting themselves up for injury. Here's how to do it right. Walk up to the bar with your feet about hip width apart. The bar should be right over your midfoot. Bend at the hips and grab the bar just outside your legs. Before you pull, lock in. Chest tall, lats tight, spine straight, core braced. Think about pulling your shoulders back and screwing your feet to the floor. From there, drive through your heels, push the floor away, and stand tall. Hips and shoulders rising together. At the top, don't lean back. Just lock out by squeezing your glutes. Then reverse the movement, hinging at the hips first before bending your knees to return the bar to the floor. The result? More muscle, better performance, and safer training. Deadlifts hit everything. hamstrings, glutes, quads, lats, traps, and your core. Few exercises build more total body strength and raw power. Do them right, and you'll grow thicker legs, a stronger back, and grip strength that carries over into everything else. Don't chase numbers if your form isn't ready. A clean, controlled deadlift at moderate weight will always build more real strength than a sloppy max attempt that wrecks your spine. 8. Planks. Planks look simple. You just drop down, rest on your elbows, and hold, right? That's why you see people scrolling on their phones, texting, or looking around while they're waiting for their Uber while planking. But the truth? Most people are doing them so wrong, they're basically just laying down with extra steps. The biggest mistake? Sagging hips or butt in the air. When your hips dip, you're dumping pressure into your lower back. That's not building core strength. That's building back pain. On the flip side, when you stick your butt up to the ceiling, you're not planking, you're halfway to doing downward dog. Here's how to do it right. Start on your forearms with elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your legs straight, feet about hip width apart. Engage your core like you're about to get punched in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes. Yes, your butt should be working here too. Keep your body in one straight line from head to heels. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. If it spills, you're out of position. Doing this is helpful because now you're actually firing up deep core muscles, the ones that keep your spine safe, improve posture, and make everything from squats to deadlifts stronger. A proper plank doesn't just torch your abs. It's a foundation for almost every lift you'll ever do. Don't chase minutes, chase quality. A perfect 30-second plank beats a sloppy 3-minute hold every time. So there you have it, the 8 exercises almost everyone messes up. Not because people are lazy, but because the little details get overlooked. And those little details, they're the difference between building muscle and building bad habits. When you fix your form, the weights feel heavier, the muscles burn deeper, and the progress comes faster. Every rep actually counts. That's how you build strength that lasts. And a body that doesn't just look strong, but is strong. The gym doesn't reward ego, it rewards precision. So drop the half reps, fix the posture, tighten the core, and train like every set matters, because it does. That's it for this one. If this video helped you, check out the one right here for more training breakdowns. And follow me on socials in the description to stay locked in. We're not here to chase potential. We're here to fulfill it, brick by brick.